What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We are outside today, and car insurance is skyrocketing. And one of the reasons that is not just because of the driving or accidents. If you live in an area like me where people just don't pay attention and rear-end people all the freaking time, it has more to do with the values of the cars, or perceived value of the car.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Represent, got it.
I am laughing right now. I literally shooting this video and I just get a pop-up. I'm gonna have to go watch Lucky's video. Literally right after this. Oh my god, that's hilarious. So yeah, if you don't know who Lucky Lopez is, he does a lot of auto insider kind of news and analysis as a car dealer. As a dealer myself, I only have a dealer license as a wholesaler so that I can buy stuff for myself, projects, things of that nature, from the auction. I don't sell to the general public, and I hardly ever sell a car to a dealer, unless it's like another dealer friend or something. You know what I'm saying? But definitely go check his channel out, because I'm literally looking at this and going, this is interesting. Anyways, the reason, at least from what I've seen, and yes, we're about to get food. The reason from what I've seen is MSRP on a lot of different vehicles have climbed between 20 to 30% on pretty much everything. I mean, think about it. If you had a Dodge Charger, or let's just say a Challenger, right? A manual Scat Pack, decently optioned, was about 40 grand back in 2020, and that car is now like 56,000 to 60,000. That's a significant jump. Now, it doesn't make sense for the insurance companies to raise rates. And what I've seen, at least here, rates have increased 118% in the last 2 years for here. It's the main reason that, outside of only one vehicle that I have registered to my company here in Nevada, everything else is registered to my company in Kansas or Oklahoma. I don't register stuff here and I don't insure stuff here because it's just it's outrageously expensive. So why do we feel like that's a thing, right? It's actually a thing. I mean, look, I'm not going to say that my rates haven't also gone up in Oklahoma and Kansas. I think I'm paying like 8% more in Kansas than I was back in 2019. It's not that much higher. Now, I know you're going to say, well, TK, it's not fair for you to make that equation. Most of your stuff is commercial insurance. That is true, but it's not just that. I'll give you a prime example. My buddy, my guy who you see all the friggin' time here, Mr. Dizzle in Motion. Mr. Dizzle in Motion, he does not keep the same insurance company. He bops all around, right? And oh yeah, major shout out to Sin City Challenger over on Instagram for the dope ass Hot Wheels merch. And yeah, you can see the little bee right there. So his insurance rates, like last year they went up like 20 something percent, and then this year he was like, what the F, man? For his Honda Accord, his insurance rates went up like another 40 something percent. He went from paying like 105 or something like that for insurance to almost 400. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Now, if you've watched Dizzle in Motion's channel, go check him out. His rates have went down. Why? He got a pickup truck. He got a Colorado ZR2 Chevrolet, and his rates went down. Now, part of that has to do with Hondas are stolen a lot, evidently, for parts. They're highly desirable cars, just like the Charger and Challenger. Now, that does add to the insurance issue, but insurance companies have also had to pay out a ton of claims for accidents from criminal activity going on with takeovers and other crap. And when that happens, you know, we all get stuck with that. We all have to eat it. Now, I saw the notification pop up for Lucky's video. I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna have to watch it, where he says 200%, and I'm guessing that's here in Vegas. Again, I only can speak on what I'm paying on my commercial insurance and where I'm at on my commercial insurance. I just thought it was extremely interesting to see, and I'd like to start a discussion. I want to see where all of you guys are at with your insurance and what state you're in. So comment what state, and if your insurance has increased, how much did it increase, like percentage-wise or dollar amount-wise, per every 6 months or per every year policy, because each state lets you do different things. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'd like to get the discussion started, see where you guys are at. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure to go check out the other channel, TK's Garage 2. We just dropped another auction video over there. And that's kind of where all the Copart and rebuild and project videos are going to be dropping, is over on TK's Garage 2. So anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.